Good morning, everyone. My name is Angel. I am a forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in Glasgow. Just wanted to give you all an update as to what we're expecting in terms of today's afternoon thunderstorms and what it might mean for the rest of your afternoon. I'm going to remove myself here real quick from the screen and show you this presentation that I've created. So today's weather story and the main thing that we're highlighting for today is the severe thunderstorm outlook. Right now we are at a slight level, which is a level 1 of 5. So what this means is that scattered severe thunderstorms are possible anywhere between the times of 3 to 9 p.m., with the primary threat initially becoming large hail, secondary threat being tornadoes possible. And then as the potential area of storms moves south of the Missouri River, we're looking more of the threat to turn into a severe damaging wind threat. So, like I said, a slight, it means that the scattered severe storms are possible. They'll be short-lived, possibly discrete, but some of those storms could be intense. And when we mean severe, we mean winds of at least 58 miles an hour or hail of quarter size, which is about an inch or greater. And we'll keep monitoring this with the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, to get a better understanding to see if we'll have any upgrades to this area. But we're still going to be messaging the same threats regardless. So initially, just looking at what the threats are and how that area looks like on a map, this is what the SPC has for severe hail outlook for today. And you'll see that some of the yellow area is hatched. And when it has a hatched filling, what that means is essentially there's a forecast of significant hail, which is hail in excess of 2 inches in diameter. So that pretty much exists all the way up from Saskatchewan down into southeast Montana and into the Dakotas. The next is looking at the severe wind outlook. As I mentioned, once those storms start moving south of Glasgow, south of the Fort Peck area, they'll start merging and coalescing, becoming more of a severe wind threat, similar to what we had a few weeks back. So this is something definitely we want to keep an eye out for, especially for those people as the storms approach the I-94 corridor. This is just one model's representation of what will be happening this afternoon, but it gives you a good understanding of what other resolution models are highlighting for today. So this is a screenshot here at 2 p.m., essentially showing a lone cell developing somewhere in the Hill to Blaine County area near Havre. Uh, but anywhere in this yellow circle is a location where any of these storms could possibly develop. Once we head into around the 4 p.m. time frame, this is what this model is representing, and it's showing those discrete supercells. Again, mainly a large hail threat with an isolated landslide or tornado possible. Uh, and then as we move forward this evening, once that set of storms makes its way south of the lake and approaching the I-94 corridor, it'll shift more into a severe wind threat and with gusts exceeding 60 miles an hour. And as you can see, a possible second round of showers and thunderstorms northwest of Glasgow around that time frame too. But generally, this is what we're expecting overall pattern for today. We'll have better understanding of where the exact threats are once these storms start popping up. And then if you have any severe weather that you do see out there, please use the TLC format, T being the time, what time that picture was taken, or what time you observed the phenomena. Uh, your location, your approximate location would help. For example, like 13 miles south of Glasgow. That would be a very good way to help us out there with figuring out where your location is, and then what you're seeing out there, what type of severe weather. And in terms of what we would like to see being reported is hail with your approximate estimation. If you have a ruler with you, that would be great. any damage associated with wind. Uh, if you start seeing a funnel cloud or a tornado, feel free to let us know. And if you do happen to see any flash flooding, we'd also appreciate those reports. These reports definitely help us determine what we include in the warning and how we could help our neighbors further along where those storms are heading. So feel free to send us those reports on Facebook. I know there's a lot of communication with the people who um, like to report there. It's a great way to share what you're seeing out there and see what your neighbors are seeing. It's a good way to just collectively share that information. We'll also accept reports on Twitter, or if you want to give us a call, feel free to do that. So that's all I have. We'll go ahead and end this video, and I just wanted to say thank you again to all the people who are sending in those reports. They really do help. And please stay safe out there. Make sure you have a plan, and we'll be seeing you later. Thank you.